All right, so most W-2 parents think cash flowing rentals are dead, and they're right, unless you know where to look. So if you're a busy parent with 0 to 3 rentals and you have no time to chase or compete with deals on the MLS, this channel is for you. I'm Jay Helms. I'm founder of the W2 Capitalist and the BRRRRs for Busy Parents program. My wife and I and hundreds of busy parents in our community buy 1 to 4 rentals a year using this very simple off-market BRRRR strategy. There's no co-calling involved. There's no hiring a VA or a VA team or even worse, a VA agency. So every week I'm going to go live underwriting real deals. These are listings that we find on the MLS. It's not going to be any kind of polished YouTube stuff. I mean, this is a studio for the moment, right? So, and I'm going to ask the one question is, can this deal actually cash flow in this zip code? We're going to take 2 or 3 properties that we're going to find on the MLS and we're going to look at them, right? And I'm going to show you what actually kills cash flow or what can kill cash flow, what saves it, and how I would build an off-market campaign if I was focused on that market or working with someone who is working in that market. And I'm going to use tools like PropStream and DealCheck to validate and go through some of these. They make it so super quick and easy to do that. So if your goal is to grab one good rental this year without burning the midnight oil or sacrificing your weekends, then hit subscribe. And then when you're ready to do this yourself, you can grab the free guide to walk you through everything, every tool that we use, even down to the envelopes and stamps at findyournextbird.com, which that link should be somewhere around this video.